Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I am here with most of the plants that I had been given as gift, and these are the plants that I had got from Geranium. 6 of them, all geraniums but of different colors, and we need to have patience to see the different colored flowers that it bears. So that's my geranium. All of it is geranium. Each of it looks similar, as the leaves of the geranium are all similar except the ivy geranium. And what I spotted is, I already spotted bud which is in forming, and this is the youngest of all. I can say this is the last cutting that she had given me, and it is already giving out new leaves. And that is my succulent, a huge one, topsy-turvy. And all these days I was thinking that this is a hardy succulent which is not very much affected with the rain, but I have been proved wrong, as some of the pups which were growing in the open space that you can see have rotted. So this topsy-turvy also needs to be protected from rain. Now that's my Echeveria raindrops. It is a new succulent in the sense I had bought it in the month of most probably January or February, and it is blooming. Small peachish flowers I spotted. Now see what has happened to my beautiful sedum. It has rotted right in the middle due to the incessant rain that we were getting. Although it is in the protected area, but still it gets the rains, and so I have to be very careful about this particular one, otherwise I'm going to lose it. And I have decided to take some cuttings so that I can save a few. Now that's my snake plant, the miniature one which my younger cousin had given, and I think if she sees this plant now, she will not be able to recognize that this is the very same plant that she had given me. A tiny one which was already rotting, and now look at this. Now that's my devil's horn. It is already given out a couple of buds, and the best part is it bears pretty yellow colored flowers. A very distinctive patterned flower. It's lovely. Now nothing much to show in the succulent, but I was removing the dry leaves as much as possible so that it doesn't encourage rotting. Now that's my pink moonstone, or the Pakupaitam, and the monsoon hasn't yet started, but I am feeling very scared about my succulents. This monsoon will be a very challenging one, I can very well understand, as I am already getting the signs from my plants. So hope so I can save all of them. That's my peperomia. It is in good condition now, but this is also a delicate plant, and it does not like too much of watering or waterlogging. So friends, I hope you all enjoyed this short video. If you all have liked it, to give a thumbs up, to share it with your friends and family members, and if you are new to our channel, to take a moment to subscribe. I'm sure you are going to love it, and stay tuned for more of interesting videos. So till we meet again, it is bye bye for today. Bye bye.